Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. We all, after this current situation that we have gone through, the COVID-19, and even after the lockdown, we all are back to work. And today we have an experiencing new surprise for you. Kia Carnival, a new surprise for the global market. We are in the Kia Carnival. As you can see, all the finishes in the dashboard or in the interiors are exceptionally good. The steering wheel over here is having both the options of tilt and telescopic. Looking of the infotainment given over here is the music system from Harman Kardon, and this is a nice 10.25 inches touchscreen that has been given to the car. And as well as you can see, the whole design is much stunning and looking nice for this car. And coming down is a triple zone climate air control that you are getting for the AC, as well as you are getting a passenger side and a driver side both adjustment of your automatic triple zone climate control AC. So this is the lever present over here for the automatic gearbox, as well as you can see the parking mode, reverse, neutral and drive modes are given. You can see the front parking sense, you can see the auto handbrake, electronic handbrake, auto hold, auto hill hold, as well as the front driver ventilated seats with the eco drive mode given as well. So when we coming to the rear seat, you're getting a rear seat entertainment like a small TV that you're getting in rear. If you connect your phone, you can browse, you can see YouTube, and you can do even more like watching movies, music and everything. Coming up over here is the rear AC control. It's a total control by the person sitting in the second row and the third row. It's for only the AC vents. So now speaking of this Kia Carnival, this is having a dual sunroof, that is for the first time in any car has been given. Well, now coming down, you can see over here is the two cup holders given for the rear seats, like they can have their coffee or drinks put over here and enjoy the drive. Coming down here is a 220 volt charging point that you has been given. It's a already given socket that has been down, like for your helping you in charging your laptop or even carrying a small 2 liters refrigerator in your car itself. You can here see the rear seat is coming up with certain features, like you're getting the adjustable for your reclining option. You can have an option for the leg rest, it's a leg support that you're getting, as well as you can shift and you can have the seats adjusted, like here it goes.